Hey everyone, it's Mike and I'm here with Deborah. She's ready for a hair color transformation. So we're gonna play up her natural, beautiful, warm strawberry brown color by adding even more brighter blonde pieces. We're gonna freehand paint balayage highlights throughout her head, make her into a really natural blonde that looks like she just spent about 3 months in the tropics. The best part is, she's gonna do it all by herself. I'm gonna walk you through all the steps using all the same hair color tools and techniques that I use every day in the salon. So enough talk. Let's get to the fun stuff. Let's make you blonde.
Within my soul, from deep down below, to scream anyway, all I had to say, and this time.
So Deborah just finished mixing the cream lightener. It's perfect consistency for balayage, a little bit on the thicker side. She sectioned away her hair so the front is now separate from the back. And she's gonna start on her left side, about an inch section, and she's gonna directly paint right on this hair using the cream lightener. And once the outer edges are done, Deborah's just gonna move on to the ends. Deborah just finished the left side of her head and now she's going to move on to the right. She's clipping away the hair and she's going to repeat exactly the same sectioning as before. Deborah is just concentrating on getting the outer edges of her hair, and then once that's done, she moves down to the middle part of it and then she starts really saturating the ends of her hair. So Deborah just finished the entire front section of her hair. The key to this look is really have a lot of the brightness in the front, but we still want to incorporate some lightness in the back. She's only going to concentrate on really getting the ends of her hair, because that's where naturally her hair would get super bright in the back. Deborah just finished her highlights. These are the perfect beachy, summer, soft, sexy highlights. The best part about them is how much wear she'll get. She really won't have to worry about highlighting her hair again for another 4, 5, 6 months. In between, what she can use is the new AGEbeautiful Tint Shine. This one's in sheer gold. I love these because when you're feeling a little dull, when you need a little kick, adds a little bit of shine, makes the hair feel super soft. This is a great in-between lifesaver. AGEbeautiful Tint Shine. I think it's amazing, Deborah. How are you feeling?
I love it.
You love it? You look great.
Thanks.
So once again, AGEbeautiful to the rescue.
This time.